Hi guys, let's look at the next question. The next question is question number 5. It says triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So that is already given. Ratio of AE and EC is given. So AE is 4y and EC is 7y. I'm not taking x because x as a variable is given separately. Okay, so DE is given equal to 6.6, which means this is 6.6. We need to find the length of BC. So since triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, what I have is AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE equal to BC upon DE. This is CSST. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Next, AB, well, we don't know, so we will just ignore this. We will look at these two values. AC, which is 4y plus 7y, that's 11y. AE is 4y. Next is equal to BC. We need to figure out BC upon DE, which is 6.6. I think before that I should write a step. I have missed out that step. Let AE is equal to 4y, therefore EC is equal to 7y. That's the first step I should have written. I just wrote it on the diagram, so I would lose marks in an exam if I don't write this assumption. Perfect. So 11y upon 4y is equal to BC upon 6.6. Y and y gets cancelled, which means BC is equal to 6.6 into 11 upon 4. So now we will have to multiply and divide and see what answer we get. So 66 into 11, that's 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 12, 7, 2, 6, which means 72.6 divided by 4 centimeter, which means BC would be equal to 4 ones are 4, 8, 1, 25. So 18.15 centimeter. That's the value of BC, which they wanted us to calculate. Done. This part of the question is done. Let's look at the next part of the question where they're given a variable x. Let's read it. It says if x is the length of perpendicular from A to DE, so they're drawing a perpendicular from A to DE, find the length of the perpendicular from A to BC. Okay. So let's just draw a rough perpendicular here. This is 90. This will obviously be 90. This is, let's call it point F. Let's call it point G. Let's write our assumption. Let AF be perpendicular to DE and AG be perpendicular to BC. Done. What is given is AF is equal to X. We need to find AG is equal to what? That's what we need to find. Now since this is already given as parallel, so this means since FE is parallel to, let's write the full sentence, full one first. Since DE is parallel to BC, therefore FE is parallel to GC, because these are parts of the same triangle, which means therefore in triangle AGC, not AGC, using basic proportionality theorem, because FE is parallel to the third side of the triangle GC, which means I can apply the basic proportionality theorem, which says what I'll get is AF upon AG would be not AG, AF upon FG. AF upon FG would be equal to AE upon CE. Now AF is given as X, FG we don't know, and AE upon CE is 4 upon 7, which means which means FG is equal to 7 upon 4x. What do we have to calculate? We have to calculate AG. Okay, so AG would be equal to AF plus FG, which means X plus 7x upon 4. Therefore, AG is equal to 11x upon 4. Done. Simple question. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 7. Question 7 says A, B, C, D, E, F are parallel lines. and AB is equal to 7.5. So this is 7.5, DC is Y, EF is 4.5, DC is equal to X, and CE is equal to 3. Find X and Y. We've done a question like this in our previous exercise where we talked about trying to prove which triangles will be similar. Okay. Now, if I look at this, I can use in this triangle BEF, since CD is parallel to EF, I should be able to use the basic proportionality theorem, which means X upon 3 would be equal to BD upon DF, but I don't know this value. Yes, I don't know the value of BD, I don't know value of DF. Similarly, in triangle ABF, again CD is parallel to AB, which means again I can use the basic proportionality theorem, but I don't have the values of FC or AC or BD or DF. So let me try and use similarity first since these two sides are given. So let me try and prove these two triangles similar, which means triangle ABC and triangle ECF. Okay. So triangle ABC and triangle ECF. So in triangle ABC and triangle ECF, angle C here and angle C here would be equal. Let's just write that down. Angle ACB is equal to angle FCE, vertically opposite angles. And number 2 would be, since these lines are parallel to each other, which means we will be able to prove them equal by alternate angles. So angle CAB is equal to angle CFE. These are alternate angles, which means therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEC by AA test. Which means let's try and write the proportionality, which means AB upon FE will be equal to AC upon FC, which will be equal to BC upon EC. Let's see what we get from here. AB is given equal to 7.5, FE is given equal to 45, and we need to find BC. BC is here, BC is X, and EC is given equal to 3. Right? BC and EC and AB and FE. So this is 15 into 3 and this is 15 into 5, removing the decimal, and 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Therefore, X is equal to 5 centimeter. This one was very simple. We got the value of X. Where is Y? Let's try and look at Y. Where is Y? Here. So in case so now I know this is 5. Right? This is 5 centimeter from here. I don't need to, so again I'll have to prove similarity. BPT won't work. So let's look at the other triangle. In triangle CBD, which is the small triangle, and the big triangle CEF. Not CEF, the big triangle EBF. So in triangle CBD and triangle EBF, which is, I'm looking at this small triangle here and this big triangle here. Done. What I have is, so this is point number 6. What I have is angle CBD is equal to angle EBF. This is common angle. And the last one being angle BCD would be equal to angle BEF. These are corresponding angles, which means this angle and this angle here. So that means triangle BCD is similar to triangle BEF by AA test. Which means what I'll get is BC. Did I write CSST? No, I should write CSST here for the previous point also. This will also give me BC upon BE is equal to BD upon BF is equal to CD upon EF. This is CSST. Do I know the value of BC? Yes, I know BC is 5. BE is 5 plus 3, which is 8. BD I don't know, which means I am looking at CD and EF and this part. So CD is Y and EF is 4.5, which means Y is equal to 445 into 5 upon 8 into 10. 5 1, 5 2, which means 45 upon 16, which means 16 into 2, 32, that's 13. So 13 upon 16 centimeter. Therefore, Y is equal to 213 upon 16 centimeter. Perfect. A small video this time. Homework question for you. Homework for you would be question number 6 and question number 8. Thank you so much. That brings me to an end. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you with the next video. Bye bye.